What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2025 Toyota Camry. So taking a look at our key fob, you'll notice there's no dedicated remote start button. And because of this, some people actually don't even realize their vehicle has the remote start option. So in order to use the remote start, what I'm going to do is press the lock button 3 times quickly. And on the third time, I'm going to hold it down for about 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. And then the vehicle will respond by flashing its lights and starting. So now the vehicle's started. And then in order to drive the Camry, what we'll need to do is get in and then just as you normally would, press the brake and the power button, and you'll be ready to drive as normal. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.